Hello, my name is Hilal Zaki. I'm from Gunadarma University, majoring in informatics, six semester. Since a few years ago, I am a person who is not waste in the time management. In fact, I like to procrastinate the time to do the assessment that have been given by the lecturer. However, since I joined activities on and off campus, I realized that time management is very necessary to complete my responsibilities. Currently, I am actively studying computer science. In this case, I am responsible for learning good time management and improving my skill in this field. My goal for the future is to become a full stack programmer